Hello learner, welcome to this module on subtraction. In this module, we will see some general approaches in solving subtraction questions, and also we will see a method from Vedic mathematics that is called all from 9, last from 10. Firstly, we will see some general approaches. Subtraction is just a reverse of addition. Let's see how it is. Let's see the first question that says 70 minus 37. So now we can also rewrite this as 37 plus how much is equal to 70. Correct? So now 37 plus how much is should be equal to 70. 7 plus 3 will become 10. 1 carried will be here. So 3 plus 1, 4 already there. 4 plus how much is 7? 4 plus 3. So 33 is our answer. This is one approach. The another approach we can do is 37 plus 3. Just doing in mind. 37 plus 3 will give us 40. 40 plus 30, that will be 70. So 33 is our answer. Let's see the second question. 98 minus 38. So 38 plus how much is equal to 98? 38, 8 plus 0 will be 8. 3 plus 6 will be 9. So answer should be 60. Simple. Otherwise, let's do plus 2 here, plus 2 here. So it will become 100 minus 40, which is also equal to 60. So you can do any approach, but as and when you are doing in an exam, see the question accordingly, you put the approach. Let's see the third one. 88 minus 54. 54, 4 plus 4 will give 8. 5 plus 3 will give 8. So answer should be 34. Simple. Let's see some more examples. 148 minus 52. 52 plus how much is equal to 148? 2 plus 6, 5 plus 9. So answer should be 96. Simple. Next, 67 plus how much is equal to 380? 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 at the end, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. Already 7 is here. 7 plus how much is 38? Or 38 minus 7 is equal to how much? Both are same. 313 is our answer. Next, 863 minus 481. 481 plus how much is equal to 863? 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry. So 4 plus 1, already 5 is there. 5 plus how much is 8? 5 plus 3 is 8. So 382 is our answer. Let's see the next method, all from 9, last from 10. Let's see what is this method and how to solve these questions. So here, when we have a questions like 100 minus, 1000 minus, 10,000 minus, 50,000 minus, 10 lakhs minus, like where all zeros are in abundant. Okay. So let's see how to solve this question. The first one, we have to divide into two parts, such a way that zeros are grouped into one side and other numbers are grouped into another side. That is left and right. Let's say for example. So left hand side, whatever the number we are hand side, minus 1 we have to do it. Whatever the number, it can be 12, 12 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, like this. 1 minus 1 here, 0. And here, the right hand side, here we apply all from 9 and last from 10. All from 9, last from 10, which means from left to right we have to go. That is 9 here, 10 here. 9 minus 5, 4, 10 minus 6, 4, 44. Let's see the second example. Again divide it into two parts, left and right. 1 minus 1, 0. All from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. Next. 10,000 minus 6561. So left, right. 1 minus 1, 0. Here all from 9, last one from 10. So 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 1, 9. So answer should be 3439. So this question we can also do it in this way. 6561 plus how much will be equal to 10,000. But here we don't have to worry like 1 plus how much is 0, 6 plus 0, 0 and all. Nothing to worry. So what we can do is, so you should find such numbers in such a way that the unit place number whatever you are having plus how much will be equal to 10 here. 10. Then here 6 plus how much is equal to 9 you have to see. 5 plus how much is 9. 6 plus how much is 9. Like this we have to find 1 plus 9 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So answer should be 3439. So like this we can solve the question. So same method we will apply for the second also. Let's see how it is. 544 plus how much, or 456 plus how much is equal to 1000. So as I said before, the unit place should be added up to some numbers to get 10. The other digits like tens, 100, 1000 should be added with some number to get 9. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So answer should be 544. That's our answer. Let's see some more examples. So 10,000 or 1 lakh minus 47,423. Again two parts. So this is left, this is right. 1 minus 1, 0. So here I'm not writing 9, here 9, 9, 9, 9. This will be 10. So 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5 again. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. So answer should be 52,577. Now next one. So left, right. 1 minus 1, 0. So 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. But the last one should be subtracted from 10. All from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 2, 8. So answer should be 6,35,298. So last one, let me try with a reverse addition. So reverse addition means what I should get, 3 plus some number should give me 10, but 2 plus something will be 9, 9, 9, like this it has to go. Let's see. 3 plus how much is 10? 3 plus 7 is 10. 2 plus how much is 9? 7 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's our answer. So 13,52,577. 600 minus 86. Same method. So make two parts such a way like something like this. So 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 6, 4. 5, 14. Next 4 minus 1, 3. Next 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 6, 4. 3, 7, 1, 4. Next 7 minus 1, it will be 6. Then 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 5, that should be 5. So answer should be 60,475. Next 8 minus 1, 7. Rest all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 10 minus 9, 1. So 7,62,791 is the answer. 70,000 minus 783. So again, grouping can be done in this way. 7 minus 1. So that will be 6 here. So here there is no number here, which means so we will take this as 0. So 9, 9, 9, last one should be 10. 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 3, 7. So answer should be 69,217. Let's see the next one. So again grouping. So first part 4 one group and other 5 zeros are one group. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Then so there is nothing is here, so we can take it as 0 here. 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. So answer should be 3,92,711. So now either you can do in this way also, or suppose for example 40, so something like this, 7, 2, 8, 9. So you can do like this also, we can make group like this, and here also 40 minus 1, 39, and then remaining you can do it. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 9, 1. Again there also you will get the same answer. Let's see the last question for this module. In exam, questions appear like this in a horizontal way, not in a vertical way. So now how to do this one efficiently? First what you do is check out the number of digits here, that is 5. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make a group like this. 56 minus 1, 55. For rest all numbers, that is these numbers, apply all from 9, last from 10. 9 from 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 7, 3. So answer should be this one. That's all for this module. A practice sheet is given in the description box, so please try it out. While explaining the question, it may seem like it is time consuming, but actually it is not. So while you are solving questions related to subtraction, try to apply, try to incorporate these techniques, and definitely you will see the improvement in your speed as well as the accuracy. All right. So hope you find this resource useful, and see you in the next video. Thank you.